Delhi's air quality is continuing to deteriorate with every passing day, but the war of words has once again broken out between the Delhi and the Punjab Chief Minister. Punjab CM Captain Amrinder Singh accused the Delhi Chief Minister of spreading lies and diverting attention to hide its own failure to protect Delhi from pollution. The Punjab Chief Minister asserted that the government data suggested stubble burning contributed to only 4% of Delhi's pollution. His attack came after Arvind Kejriwal accused Punjab of keeping Delhiites in the dark and also blamed the Punjab government for failing miserably in containing stubble burning, which is polluting the air in the national capital. The central government's weather forecasting body, SAFAR, showed that AQI levels in Delhi on Thursday had 6% of pollution from stubble burning, which means there are bigger contributors out there. Not only that, the study found that farm fires contributed just around 3% of pollution on Wednesday and 1% on Sunday to Tuesday to Delhi's pollution.
It's apocalypse all over again. These images speak for themselves. The quality of air that Delhi is breathing has nosedived to severe mark. In some areas in the capital, the air quality index was over the 300 mark. As farm fires rage on across the neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana, Delhi government has swung into action. Capital's environment control body has announced imposition of a graded response plan to tackle air pollution. It includes banning diesel generators, checking construction sites for dust and pollution, use of smoke guns to control dust, and banning burning of biomass. Chief Minister Kejriwal has also launched Red Light On, Gaadi Off campaign to tackle air pollution. As the capital air quality plummets, Delhi government versus centre politics is speaking. Union Environment Minister claimed that stubble burning contributes only 4% to air pollution.
पंजाब सरकार को मैं फिर से एक बार अपील करता हूं कि वो तुरंत हरकत में आए और पराली कम जले, इसके लिए उनके भी बच्चों का मुद्दा है। अभी तो केवल 4% लोड पराली का है, तो 96% प्रदूषण लोकल फैक्टर्स से है।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was quick to counter the Environment Minister.
जो पराली जलने की वजह से धुआं दिल्ली आ रहा है, उसके बारे में तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन दिल्ली में अपने पोल्यूशन को इस वक्त कम करने के लिए जो कदम हम उठा सकते हैं, वो सभी कदम उठाने चाहिए। पिछले कुछ दिनों में हम लोगों ने कई सारे स्टेप्स लिए हैं पोल्यूशन कम करने के लिए। एंटी डस्ट कैंपेन चालू किया है। दिल्ली में जो पराली उगती है उसको जलाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, उसके लिए हमने बायो डिकम्पोज़र पूसा इंस्टीट्यूट द्वारा जो बनाया गया उसका इस्तेमाल शुरू किया है। इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी अनाउंस की है, ट्री ट्रांसप्लांटेशन पॉलिसी अनाउंस की है, कई सारे कदम हमने उठाए हैं।
Minister Javadekar later clarified, saying that 4% share of stubble burning in AQI in Delhi pertained only to this week. He added that several local factors like vehicular pollution, non-agricultural biomass burning, dust are primarily responsible for high air pollution during winters in Delhi. The Environment Ministry itself says that the share of stubble burning in air pollution in Delhi between 8th October and 9th December last year was greater than 15% on 6 days, and on a single day it was more than 40%. In fact, a 2019 report by government agency System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting said that the share of stubble burning in Delhi's pollution rose to 46% on 1st November last year.
While a war of words has also erupted between the Union Minister Prakash Javadekar as well as the CM, stating that the problem of pollution in Delhi is being caused due to stubble burning. That's what the Chief Minister believes, but Union Environment Minister has said that the stubble burning is only leading to about 4% of the pollution's contribution in the national capital. With Sanjay Kumar Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.